16-year-old minor is recovering in hospital after being rescued from a brothel in Nairobi's Islii area. The girl suffered internal injuries and lost a lot of blood after she was forced to procure an abortion using crude methods. The girl was allegedly kidnapped from her home in Ramo, Mandera County last year. And as Mary Mwoki now reports, her case represents the horrors of underage Somali girls trafficked for sex.
She lies on this mattress on the floor, completely covered up to hide her identity, her form cutting a solitary figure, her small body writhing in pain, the only indication of the horrors she has been through in her young life. The girl, identified only as Nazra, was abducted from the peace and security of her home in Mandera County last year, and she has been forced to work in a brothel since then.
Kuna mwanamke anaitwa VIB anawatoaga Mandera County. Kuna broker huko Mandera na yeye ndo anakalishaga hao wanawake wanaume wa tourism wenye wanachezea kwa wasichana. Wanapendaga underage. Basi alimchukua akamlete Nairobi, akaanza kumbleach, kumtengeneza. After that sasa ni kila usiku kumpeleka kwa mwanaume mpya.
At barely 15 years of age, she has been sexually abused and exploited, and her young unformed body is currently expelling a pregnancy, albeit forcefully.
Akamletea dawa ameze. Ndio hiyo mimba alimgonga, alimpatia hiyo dawa ikatoa hiyo mimba, akamkanyanga pale chini. Ndio ikatoka hiyo mtoto.
Amina lives in Islii, and she tells us that sex trafficking involving minors is a booming business in these commercial estates.
Shamaani 12 Street ni mahali wasichana wadogo wanachezewa sana. Tunaomba serikali wachukue hatua pale hapo Shamaani.
Armed with this information, we sought to visit the area and establish the claims, accompanied by officers from Pangani police station. And true to Amina's word, we found the house of horror. The proprietor, only identified as VIP, was not amused by the visit. We discovered 5 underage girls here aged between 8 and 17 years. One of them had a newborn baby about 7 days old. The police also discovered a stash of drugs and shisha in the house. The madam at pains to explain who or what they are for.
We need everybody, the ulamas, the sheikh, stop preaching on the mosque, come to the ground. Tell them, the people who are selling our girls, to stop selling.
The officer commanding station at the Pangani police station declined our request for an interview on the matter. Kenya has been identified as a country of origin, transit, and destination for victims of human trafficking and sexual exploitation of children. Mary